Good afternoon. I welcome you all after the lunch. And now we are going to have our third session of the program today, which is titled Small is Beautiful. And we will be talking about IT SMEs, BPOs, IT and ITES in the state of Uttar Pradesh. Once again, I have the honor and privilege of welcoming some very esteemed panelists to shed light on some of the important issues involved here in this session. And I would like to start by welcoming Dr. Omkar Rai, Director General STPI. Please welcome Dr. Omkar Rai on the stage. I also have the honor of calling upon Rajneesh Gupta, the Transport Commissioner, Government of UP. Can we please have Rajneesh Gupta? Calling upon Rajneesh Gupta, Shri Rajneesh Gupta, Transport Commissioner, Government of UP on the stage as a part of the panel. I think he's not made it. We also have with us today Shri Manoj Kumar, who is the Senior Vice President and Chief Financial Officer from RICO. Shri Manoj Kumar, can we please have you on the stage as a part of the panel? Please put your hands together for Shri Manoj Kumar. Next, I would like to invite Shri Partha Sarthi, who is the Senior Director, Deloitte. Shri Partha Sarthi. I next have with me Dr. Dinesh Tyagi, who is the CEO, CSC E-Governance Services India Limited. Please welcome Dr. Dinesh Tyagi with us. And I next would like to call upon Shri Sanjay Panigrahi, who is the CEO of Sahaj. Please put your hands together for Shri Sanjay Panigrahi. And last but certainly not the least, we welcome with us this afternoon Ms. Rekha Roy, Director, LTech Software Solutions. Please put your hands together for esteemed panelists. And we also have with us this afternoon Shri Sushil Kumar Yadav, who is the Joint Managing Director from UP State Industrial Development Corporation. We welcome all our panelists. Can we please have Shri Sushil Kumar Yadav on the stage? Please put your hands together and extend a warm welcome to all our esteemed panelists. Well, granting a very warm welcome to all of you here, we look forward to having a host and a lot of information on IT SMEs, BPOs, IT, ITES in the state of Uttar Pradesh. And before I leave, I hand over the mic and the chair of the session to Dr. Omkar Rai, who is the Director General STPI, for further moderation of the session. Please note that the key officers are likely to make certain presentations during the session. We expect our esteemed guests to please participate in the presentations actively. Thank you so very much, and handing over the mic now to Dr. Omkar Rai.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you very much. Before I start this session, I would take my liberty to say that this is the first of its kind, an event in state of UP, and it's a very welcome measure and step that has been taken. And distinguished panelists, the participants, India is a IT superpower today. Everybody talks and knows that. We are a nation where more than 60% of the total global outsourcing work is happening. This sector employs about 3 million engineers, which has changed the face of our urban India. Every year we add 2 lakhs jobs to this sector. The export is growing more than 10% every year. It's the largest wealth creation as far as the rate of growth is concerned. So we have a lot of expectation from the IT sector, say it for export or domestic business, and we are looking towards this sector for growth, HPD growth for another decade, so that the jobs and wealth that are needed for this country can be created by this sector. If you look at the figures, in the field of IT and ITS, these colleges are producing more than 4 lakhs engineers every year, whereas we are able to provide employment to maximum 2 lakhs people. Now the numbers suggest that we are not able to meet the aspirations of our graduates that are coming out of engineering colleges. And that means there is a lot of need which has to be done, which has to be addressed. And therefore, this particular session where we are going to talk about small is beautiful and going to focus on the sector that is micro and small and medium entrepreneurs, that's very important. Because the larger corporations are growing at the rate of 7 to 10%, and they are having a lot of pressure for the margins and are having problems with the bandwidth, the finances that they can deploy for training more people, employing more people, and gathering business from all over the world. And therefore, we need a kind of growth which should be totally disruptive, revolutionary growth we need in this sector, where we could create the entrepreneurs, the corporation, the companies, the product, which can bring the kind of wealth and the kind of job we require, that this kind of innovation and product companies should come up. And world over, it's now established that it will be the micro and small entrepreneurs which would create the kind of job and innovation and innovative idea that we require today. In this backdrop, I would say that little bit about STPI. STPI was created in 1993 with a view to act as a single window clearance agency and to promote IT industry in the country. And I can proudly inform the participants and the panelists that so far we have got 10,000 registered units, out of which actually 3,750 units are exporting. Despite the lot of other competing scheme in the software exports, this year STPI registered units have exported the amount of 2,51,000 crore rupees. So with this, I would say that as the topic suggests that this micro, small and medium, the small is beautiful, I am sure that the deliberations of this particular session, plenary session, would come up with some kind of ideas which would help this country achieve its target. Thank you.